Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Heading out into the bays to clean one of the Hummers. It rained here at least for a week and a half straight, and when that finished and the humidity and heat came in, the bugs came out in mass. And I'm plowing through them, and I need to clean them off. It's driving me nuts. So let's get to it. I grabbed something off the shelf I have not used on the channel so far. Let's give it a try. Must be GM day today at the shop. Two vets, gorgeous vets, two Hummers, and like I said, this one here is getting splattered and needs to be cleaned. All over the grill. And windshield. Today we are going to try the Koch Chemie Insect and dirt remover. And for this, rinse the vehicle, or just make sure it's cool. You don't have to rinse it per se. Spray on the dirty areas. Leave it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. If you need to, you can use your wash mitt from a bucket to finish it off. What we're going to do is we'll spray it on there and just see what it could do on its own. We'll spray it on and rinse it, and then if needed, we'll spray it again and use the wash bucket and see how effective it is. So it comes out in the mist, nice fine mist. And it looks like well, it's pretty much what you're doing. You're just spraying soap onto the vehicle. All forward-facing parts. Trying to get even coverage. It's not getting doused. I'm trying not to waste too much of the product. We'll let that dwell for 1 to 3 minutes, and then we'll rinse it off and see what it looks like. Okay, that has been a minute or two. I guess it would help if I turned the pressure washer on. Excuse me really quick. Run halfway across the shop. Turn it on. This will be a good test because that pressure washer, as I mentioned in a previous video, is starting to die and there's not a ton of pressure. So what I'll do is I'll use forced air and dry this without touching it with any type of towel or a rag, and we'll come in and see what it looks like. As we come in and take a closer look, a hell of a lot better. Some bits left over here and there, but that's without, did a damn good job on the windshield. You saw what it was like before. That's without agitation with a mitt. So here we have some, there we have some bits and pieces, just a little bit left over. So what I would do is I would just spray it, let it soak for a minute, hit it with your wash mitt, rinse it, and be done with it. It works well. So that's exactly what we'll do. Let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. We'll let it go for a little while. I'll come back in with a wash mitt, finish it off. All right, so guys, this isn't just for bug splatter alone. The cleaner can go after traffic film. Maybe you have some residue from going to the beach and you have that salt water kind of residue that's really giving you a hard time, that slimy residue. Or it can even work in your engine compartment. Break down some of that dirt and grime. So we could test it in there as well. But for now, I just wanted to get the bug guts off the vehicle. You want to get those off, guys, as quick as humanly possible because it's acidic and can start to eat through your clear within the first hour of you running through that bug and it getting wasted onto your front grille or windscreen or mirror or A-pillar. It can etch quickly. All right, let's rinse. Okay, I will dry it off once again off camera and we'll come in and take a look. All right, is it all dried off? We don't have it on the chrome. We don't have it on the bumper. Bug splatter is gone. It's not on paint, it's not on the mirrors, it's not on the glass. Nice and squeaky clean once again. All right, that's going to do it for this video. I'll try and remember to put a link down below if you want to look into this further. Again, this is the Koch Chemie Insect and Dirt Remover. Having played with it now not only does it work in those areas that I explained earlier, your engine bay, can work for traffic film down at the bottom of the car, it also can work for wheels. You know, if your wheels are not baked on brake dust, but just dirty from just regular everyday driving, this also works. One little error, one caution of error would be some delicate garbage plastic trims. This may be a little bit too harsh for if you let it dwell too long, or if you just let it go without rinsing it or flushing the area. So just a word of caution there. Other than that, this thing, product works great. All right, guys, Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.